Hi, my name is Ben Gaffney. I'm here with Lyman Orchards to cook apple cider beignets. We're going to start with the ingredients. We've got some whole milk, Lyman's apple cider, some dry yeast, some butter, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, cinnamon, salt, and eggs. We're going to let this mixture bloom for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. All right, we pulled the beignet dough out of the mixer, and the next step is we're going to get it into another bowl. Give it just a little bit of spray. Definitely grease the pan, or you're going to be fighting with it later. We're going to cover this up with a little plastic wrap, store it in the fridge overnight, and be ready to cook it tomorrow. All right, now that we've let the beignet dough rest, we're ready to roll it out and fry it up. All right, now cut it into some nice little squares. Let these rest for just a second, and we'll drop them in the fryer. All right, now our beignets are ready to cook. We've heated our oil up to 350 degrees, and we're going to drop a few in. All right, the beignets are nice and puffy now, ready to be pulled. We're just going to let them cool off for just a second, and then hit them with the secret spice. All right, to finish off our beignets, we're gonna hit them with a little cinnamon sugar. We'll serve these with a nice cup of coffee and enjoy.